Three trades today. Um let's see. First off, midnight open is right here. We had this SOM. I think this is the, let's see, where did I mark this out from? It's the 5-minute SOM. I marked it by the body because to be fair, it looked like this body was higher, but it lined up with the the negative 3.5, 1.5. You could have got a rejection block entry for this bottom tick down. That's about it. Then I had this also the SOM for this move up. I kept it there. It actually top ticked right here. This was New York Open, and that's where my trade was. So first off, you can see here, I marked it like this. It is a 2-minute inversion. When it went here, like 21:27, so that's 9:27 a.m. I went break even. I got stopped the next candle. Obviously, made a clear manipulation in NAS. I think there was a higher time frame SMT as well for shorts. But then we dumped right. We dumped. We accumulated here. So we actually made an SMT from this low. Like, as you can see, SP did not take the low. And it has yet to take previous day highs. While we have already taken previous day highs right here. And if you see, we also tapped into midnight and daily open. So it was very bullish, right? We had this 2-minute inverse fair value gap. I entered market. My TP was just at this CISD. When it went here, I went break even. It stopped me break even again. At the 2-minute inversion, see, I should have at least gave it some room, like at least below this low, to let it play out, because I was heavily bullish and I should have been confident in the setup, because we made an SMT, we swept quite a bit of liquidity, and we were tapping it into a 30-minute inverse fair value gap, right? Which I failed to notice. Of course, it's easy to see it in hindsight that it did play out. So yeah, that was the buy model today. And I had a third trade, which is a stupid one. Where were we? We were right here, right? So when I saw this, that it stopped me break even right here. It stopped me, right? It closed below this 2-minute fair value gap. And I took a short. Oh shit. I shorted this. Stop here. Yeah, I just got fucked. Because it doesn't matter if it was an inversion to the downside. It was just a manipulation move. Because my bias was bullish. I knew it was gonna go up, so I did not know why I tried to short it again. Especially when 30-minute just tapped into the BPR. I know it's inverse, midnight open and daily open. That's 3 key levels. And if you try to look for an SOM, maybe let's not count this wick right there. If you mark it by this way, this to the swing low. Yeah, this is -4 bottom tick as well. So it was a full reversal moment. I should have held. I really did. And I shouldn't have gone break even. But because of that, we got 2 BE trades, 1 loss for a -1%.